Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about JavaScript destructuring. Today is our day 56 of day 100 days of coding challenge. So let's see. JavaScript destructuring. JavaScript object destructuring is the syntax for extracting values from an object from an object property and assigning them to a variable. This is called a JavaScript destructuring. The order of properties does not matter. Here the order of properties is not matter. Destructing is not destructive. Destructing does not change the original object, means it's just copy the value. It's not changes any in original object. Object default values. For potential missing properties, we can set default values. For example, here we are creating an object and we are destructing first name, last name, country, and here we are assigning default values country as a US. Object property alias. For example, for last name we can just using alias as a name. A string destructuring. One use of destructuring is unpacking a string character. For example, here we are unpacking a string character. Note: destructuring can be used with any tables. Array destructuring, we can pick up array variable into our own variables. For example, from this fruit variable, from this fruit array, we are using this in our variable. Skipping array values. We can skip array values using 2 or more commas. For example, here we are creating an array, and by destructuring, we are just copying in fruit 1 bananas and passing orange and apple by comma, and in fruit 2 we are passing mangoes values. Array position values. We can pick up values from a specific index locations of an array. For example, here we are creating an array, and by using position value we can pass the values. The rest property. You can end a destructuring syntax with a rest property. This syntax will store all remaining values into a new array. For example, here we have created one array called numbers, and in destructuring we are using rest operator, so it will copy all the remaining character or item in our number from numbers in our new array. Destructuring maps. For example, here we are creating a map, and we can simply destructing with a for of loop, and we are passing all the values in text variable. Swapping JavaScript variables. You can swap the values of two variables using a destructuring assignment. Example, first name, last name, and here we are destructuring first name last name as a last name first name. So here we are just swapping JavaScript variables. So thank you for this video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. We will see next topic in next video. Till then, bye bye.